9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! The test shots will be fired now. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Thank you, bud. Yeah, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button, share and subscribe, most important of all. Nova Scotia, Wiley. That was awesome. Nova Scotia doing an awesome job. Seriously guys, this is cool. Yeah, Nova Scotia is doing amazing, folks. Truly impressed. That was cool, guys. And Nova Scotia looks awesome, guys. Respect. Yukon did an awesome job too. Agreed, Yukon did amazing. Oh wow, that was huge. Go Nova Scotia. Such a good vibe, guys. Really a good atmosphere down here. Wow, that is so cool. Folks, don't forget to hit that like button and definitely share it with your buddies. Let them know how we're enjoying our fireworks down here. And definitely hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. It really helps the channel. Thank you, Tap. Really appreciate it. Nova Scotia's rocking it tonight for sure. Nova Scotia is doing amazing. They're so good. Hey Peter, hey Martin, we're at the seawall. Between Inukshuk and Sunset Beach. Oh wow, that was so cool. The number of drones flying around the sky, so many boats out in the water, it's so cool. And of course the vibe and environment out here. I wish we had fireworks on Canada Day, to be honest. Yeah, Ambleside, Dunderriv might be a little busy, but thank you, Justin. Really appreciate your kind words. poetic, Wiley. Wow, so cool. Yeah, there's a bro who's playing drums on the seawall. Don't forget to hit that like button, folks, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm not controlling the background music, but oh wow, that is cool. Thank you so much, Jill, watching from Okanagan, BC. Super cool. Hey Emerald, welcome to the stream. Watching from Burnaby. Hey Tyler, welcome to the stream. Thank you so much, Sylvie. Angelo, welcome to the stream, watching from Australia. Oh wow. Hey Malik, welcome to the stream. Rock, watching from Port Coquitlam, BC. Awesome. Yeah. Thank you folks for joining the stream, appreciate. Don't hesitate to hit that like button, share, and of course most important of all, subscribe. Oh wow, Queen, welcome from Nanaimo. Thank you so much for joining. Ganeshwar, welcome, welcome. Christopher's up in Alaska. Wow, that is so cool. Christopher, welcome to the stream. Hope you guys enjoy the stream and don't hesitate to hit that like button and subscribe to continue the fun. Natalia from Port Moody, awesome. Love Rocky Point Park. Thank you, Kathy. Thank you, Steven. Oh wow, Steve is from Gander, Newfoundland. Buddy, welcome, welcome. Oh, Sandman, thank you so much, watching from Port Coquitlam. CS, thank you so much, watching from Hong Kong. Yeah, Samra, this is the best angle I can get. I have a power bank attached. Malcolm's from Fredericton. So cool. New Brunswick. Welcome to the stream, bud. Kong's here from Vancouver. Welcome, Kong from Vancouver. Welcome, welcome, buddy. It literally feels like Canada and rest of the world meetup. So cool of you folks from around the world joining in. Thank you, Grace. Appreciate. Oh, we got powwows. That's so cool. Whoa. Oh wow, thank you guys. Julie from New West. Awesome. Paul's from watching it from a balcony in Burkutlam. Justin is saying Nova Scotia, take my money. Yeah, agreed, Paul. Nova Scotia did an amazing job. They should win. I really love the display. Folks, don't hesitate to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps the channel. Thank you so much. Thank you, Jackie. Shout out to Maya from Nova Scotia. Hey Maya. Hey Tyler, Jeff and Amy. Ganesh was saying day 3 always has the best fireworks. Gotta say today is amazing. I love this one. Yeah, Christopher feels like New Year's Eve. Indigo agreed. Nova Scotia feels like they've done the best. Oh, wow. Justin. Agreed. This one seems so good. Charlotte from Coquitlam. Hey. Thank you, DK. Hope you enjoyed the stream. Glad you enjoyed the stream. Hope you subscribe and like this video. Oh wow, this is so cool. Nova Scotia really outdid everybody else. Whoa. Great job, Nova Scotia. This is so cool, Nova Scotia. Vancouver is impressed by Nova Scotia today. This is definitely English Bay. We're between Inukshuk and Sunset Beach. I'm on the seawall. Oh, thank you, Ali. I'm so happy you get to enjoy this. Appreciate. Yes, District New West in the house. We were over at New West yesterday for the car free day.